Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you have forgotten your password, Windows 11 password, so this video is for you. I will show you easily how you can recover the Windows 11 password and you should able to log in Windows 11. So now what you need to do is you need to press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and click here. Keep pressing shift key and simply restart it. Keep pressing shift key until you see the recovery options. Just wait here. Now you can leave it. Once you see this screen, you need to click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and from here you need to click on command prompt. If command prompt also asks you the password guys, so you need to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 11 and you need to follow the same steps. It should not ask you the password after that. And once you see this screen, simply you need to type here notepad. Once you see the notepad here, go to file, then click on open, and you need to click on this PC. Open your C drive or D drive where the window has been installed. You can see with the size. Then click on Windows. Now navigate to System 32. Press S on your keyboard and look for System 32. Double click on it and select the file type from all. Now click anywhere on it and press U on your keyboard to look for utilman. Now you can see utilman. You need to right click on it and simply rename it to 2 and press the enter key. Once you press enter key, simply you need to click anywhere on it and press C this time on your keyboard, and just you need to rename the, just copy this utilman, okay, and you need to press cmd.exe. So now you can see this option. Now you need to right click on it and simply rename it to utilman. Just you need to simply paste it here, the value utilman. Once this is done, okay, this will be refresh. So you can close this now. Click on this, close this also, and click on continue with Windows 11. Now once you see this screen, you need to click on here accessibility, and command prompt should open up with the help of this. You can see here. So once you see this screen, you need to type for the command net space user. So once you see your username here, you can see here your username here, administrator. Windows 11 is my username. You can change it accordingly. Then once you define your password, you need to type for net user. Then you need to give a space and your username. My Windows 11, my username. Then you need to give a space and press the asterisk key on your keyboard and press enter. Now you can type here the password. So let me type here the password, the new password, or you can leave it blank and reconfirm it. Once you press enter 2 times, there is no need to confirm the password. Just press 2 times and your Windows will log in without the password. So let me show you without the password, like this. Okay, now your Windows should able to log in without the password. So once you logged in guys, now your CMD will not run since we have renamed it. So we need to make the changes to the default. So open your file explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32. Here is System 32. Now you need to look for utilman. press U on your keyboard and look for utilman. So basically what we need to do here is we need to rename utilman to CMD and utilman 2 to utilman only. Okay, so go to view and then you need to go to the tick this option file name and extension so that you can see the exe here. So now this is utilman. When I search here the utilman, the CMD will open with this utilman. You can see here the CMD will open with the utilman since we have renamed it. So now right click on it and rename it to CMD. Press enter, and if you see require permission trust installer, just click on try again. Cancel this, right click on utilman, go to its properties, go to security. Now trust installer has full permission of it, so you need to advance, change it to your username here, Windows 11 my username. Check names. Now owner has been changed. Apply. Okay. Okay. Now you can add it. Click on add Windows 11 and give full permission to here Windows 11. You can see here apply, yes, and okay and okay. Now once you now try to rename it, it should work. Now you can see now utilman.2 we need to rename it to only utilman and press the enter key. The same error we are getting here, just same, you need to right click, go to its properties, security, and now your username Windows 11. Okay, apply, okay, apply, edit, add Windows 11. Your username you need to type here. Okay, just click on check name, then you need to give full permission, apply, yes, okay, and okay, and now you should able to change it. Let me only just need to remove the utilman 2 only. Now it's done now. So when I try to open now CMD, it should work fine. You can see here it has opening now. And also guys, if you want to change the ownership of cmd.exe to default, I mean the trust installer, go to security, then advanced, and now Windows 11 is owner, so you can change it to type here nt space service, then forward backslash, and once you type this, let's check it. No, it's service. Okay, just type here the backslash trusted installer and let's check now. Now you can see it has come up with the trust installer as default owner. Just click on OK, and now you can see it's owner now. So you can remove your username if you want, but that is not required, that is optional, that is up to you. So this is the name you need to type on here. So I hope guys, also let me show you the accessibility also, so that both the options should work fine. Here you can see accessibility is also working fine. So I hope guys this tutorial is helpful for you and your issue has been fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.